Let's go.
Jim Carrey reprises the cable guy role for this Super Bowl ad.
Ooh, okay.
Whoa.
Does anyone remember the cable guy?
Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Cable guy.
Yeah. What I remember most about the movie is him singing the song.
Really?
Yeah. Jefferson Airplane. He's singing the song like crazy. Yeah, it's like a acid trip.
You know what I always wonder?
movie.
What I always wonder with this stuff is when they go into a Super Bowl commercial, which is based on a character that somebody played back in the day. How does that work from a licensing perspective? Like, they seem to be able to do whatever they want and just insinuate it. Like, they don't ever have to say the word cable guy. They don't need any rights for it.
I see what you're saying.
He just has to act that role again, and he's within his freedom to do so.
As long as they don't say cable guy or something like that.
This Sunday, he's back. Okay, you can play this one for us. And he just wants to connect.
Have long felt the need to escape the rigors of life through streaming.
Oh my God, I forgot he did
The
that
Lisp.
voice
Yeah, this
for it.
movie was dark, man.
Only
Very
I,
dark.
Who possess the necessary skills to fulfill that need. It is my purpose.
Whoa.
Simple.
Heavy.
So it's for Verizon? Was that what that logo is?
Yeah, that's the Verizon logo.
Good call.
Well, I mean, they're a cable company.
I didn't put that together. I was like, good
I was
movie.
just I had to immediately think of what they're selling. The Verizon ad will bring Chip, that's the cable guy, into the 21st century, though, putting him in the modern era of streaming. So he's going to be installing your 5G 5G tower. No, he'll be installing your what do they call their fiber?
Fibe.
No, not Verizon.
Oh, Verizon.
I think it's Fios. Unless they changed it. I'm not a customer. Or maybe they don't call it. Oh yeah, Fios. They still do. Okay, so he'll be selling you fiber optic, and you'll go buy because you want those uploads. You need those downloads.